Okay, remember the last video where it changed the coil pack and everything's okay? That wasn't really the truth. It needs a camshaft. About 2.5 hours. We've got the grill off. The radiator is finally out. Man, that was a project. The fan shroud, the electric fan, and I also got the coil packs out, and I threw the fuel rails kind of over to the side. And next I'm going to work on this fan. Everyone on the internet says it's going to be a pain in the neck, so I'm prepared for it. And I can't imagine not changing that belt. After doing all this, I'm definitely getting a new belt for it. So let's just keep going. Okay, I've got the fan clutch assembly off. I've detached the AC compressor, kind of set it to the side a little bit. Power steering pump tucked away to the corner over there. I'm gonna see if I can keep all the AC lines in place while I do this whole thing. Next, I'm gonna take the intake manifold off next. get out of here. That was a pain in the butt. I remembered to take the ground wire off the back this time. And up front there's this little dog bone, kind of, not really a dog bone, it's an open, it's like a little wrench, but it connects the head to the front of the engine. So I gotta put that back on when I'm putting everything back together. Just gonna roll with it. Behind this stud, get this one. I'm sorry, super long. That was sneaky. The oil dipstick has a bracket that's bolted to the side of it. Sorry, my head was probably in the way of the head. Finally out of the car, the camshaft, or the truck I should say, I'm sorry. And there's the lobe in question from cylinder number 4. You can see how worn that is. And not for nothing, the tips of other ones are starting to go, which makes me kind of question the quality of the roller bearings that were in there. See, it's worn away at the tip. Some other ones back here. Look at the condition of that. Truck has 130,000 miles on it. I've had a lot of vehicles with a lot more miles. It didn't look that bad. But anyway, this is the one from cylinder number 4 that was giving me the misfire. Look at the condition of that. It's a nice new one going in.